Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic setup of the operating environment for the VX10. Before diving into the setup steps, let's first look at the overall connection architecture. This diagram shows the LED display control system. The computer connects to the VX10 via LAN for control, the video source sends signals through HDMI, and the VX10 connects to the receiving cards via Ethernet to drive the LED screen. The VX10 is controlled via the LAN port, so first ensure the device and the computer are on the same network segment. You can adjust the network settings from the front panel. To debug the device, connect the computer to the VX10 using a network cable. When both are on the same subnet, click Detect in the iSet software to view device information and configure settings. After a successful connection, the device IP can also be set through the programming interface in iSet. The VX10 uses the iSet software for parameter delivery, connection configuration, and signal source setup. These functions are also available on the web interface. The LE Upgrade software is used to update receiver card firmware via the VX10. In addition to software control and management, the VX10 offers excellent compatibility and flexibility through its hardware interfaces. It features multiple video input interfaces, including HDMI 2.0, HDMI 1.4, 3G SDI, and DVI, providing diverse options for video sources. It also includes a Genlock interface for receiving synchronization signals, as well as HDMI 1.4, 3G SDI, DVI, and Genlock loopout interfaces for signal multiplexing. The VX10 supports a maximum output capacity of 6.55 million pixels, with 10 gigabit Ethernet outputs or two 10G optical fiber outputs, one primary, one backup. As mentioned earlier, the VX10 can be controlled via the LAN port. The USB-A and USB-B interfaces are used for cascading control, while the USB 3.0 interface on the left side is for importing parameters via a USB drive.